For example, question number 1a. Find the GCF factor for the 18, 24, and 16. We have been given 18, 24, and 60. So these are three numbers that we need to find GCF, or the greatest common factor. So solution for this question will be like taking up the solution, taking up the three numbers 18, 24, 60. We need to find the GCF, or the greatest common factor. We start by 2, then 18 divided by 2, you're going to get 9, and 24 divided by 2, you're going to get 12, 60 divided by 2, you're going to get 30. Then you're going to ask yourself, what will be the number that will divide all three numbers? The smallest number. You're going to see that this is 2. Then 9 divided by 2 without any remaining, we are going to take 9 as 9. Then 12 divided by 2, you are going to get 6. Then 30 divided by 2, you are going to get 15. We are continuing. Then taking up the smallest number that can divide 9, 6, and 15, you're going to ask yourself, then you're going to get that is 2. Then 9 divided by 2, you're going to get almost 9, that will be remainder 1. Then 6 divided by 2, you're going to get 3. 15 divided by 2 without any remaining, that's going to be 15 as 15. Then you're going to put 15 as 15. Then you're going to go to ask yourself that, what will be the number that is going to divide 9, 3, and 15 without any remainder? You are going to observe that 2 is not going to be divisible by all three numbers. Then you are going to 3 number. Then you are going to ask yourself that 9 divided by 3, you are going to get almost 3. Then 3 divided by 3, you are going to get 1. Then 15 divided by 3, you are going to get 5. Then you're going to ask again yourself, what will be the smallest number that's going to divide all three numbers? You're going to get that's only 3. Then 3 divided by 3 divided by 3, you're going to get 1. Then 1 divided by 3, that's almost, you are going to put 1. 5 divided by this one, you're going to put 5. Then you're going to ask yourself the next number, that is 4. Is 4 is going to be divisible by 1 and 1? That's the answer is no. Then you're going to get 5. Then 5, 1 divided, you are going to put 1. 1 divided by 5, you're going to get 1. Then 1, you're going to get 1. So this one, you're going to divide by 1 throughout, you're going to get 1, 1, 1. Therefore, after you have obtained this factor, there are almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to ask yourself, what will be the three numbers that they have been divided to all three numbers? Yani ile namba ambayo imezigawanya zote kwa wakati mmoja. Hiyo ndio tunaenda kuichukua. And therefore, you're going to conclude that GCF will be equals to, if you're going to ask that 2 was divisible by 18, then it was divisible by 24, then but also it was divisible by 60. Therefore, we are going to take 2. We are going to look for another factor. 2, it didn't divided by 9, then we are going to leave it. We are going to put it as close like this one. Then 2, 9 didn't divided by 2, therefore we are going to put this one. Then 3 divided 9 divided 3 divided by 15. You are going to get 3, you are going to take. Then 3, 1 didn't divide by 3, and therefore we are going to leave it. Then 5, 1 didn't divide by 5, and therefore we are going to leave it. Therefore the GCF will be the product of these two numbers. That will be 2 times 3, it will be equals to 6. And therefore this will be your answer for the first question.